Hey everyone, welcome to Quick Quiz Fun. Test your general knowledge with this science quiz. Answer 50 questions and share your score. Let's begin. What is the chemical symbol for water? What planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars. What is the chemical symbol for hydrogen peroxide? What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. What is the chemical symbol for gold? What is the speed of light in a vacuum? What planet is closest to the sun? Mercury. What is the basic unit of life? Cell. Who is known as the father of modern physics? Albert Einstein. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? What planet has the most moons? Saturn. What is the chemical symbol for iron? What is the process by which plants make their food? Photosynthesis. What is the chemical formula for methane? CH4. Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? On 100 degrees Celsius. What is the study of earthquakes called? Seismology. What is the largest organ in the human body? skin. What is the most abundant element in the universe? Hydrogen. What is the symbol for potassium? K. Who proposed the laws of motion? Isaac Newton. What is the largest organ inside the human body? Liver. What is the closest star to Earth? The Sun. What is the pH level of pure water? Seven. What is the pH level of pure water? Carrying oxygen. Who is known as the father of genetics? Gregor Mendel. What is the most common type of star in the Milky Way? Red dwarf. What is the chemical formula for table salt? What organelle is responsible for photosynthesis in plants? Chloroplast. What is the most common gas in the Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. What is the symbol for helium? He. What is the main gas found in the sun? Hydrogen. What is the process of cell division in body cells called? Mitosis. What is the hottest planet in the solar system? Venus. What is the chemical symbol for lead? PB. What is the name of the force that keeps us on the ground? Gravity. What is the primary component of natural gas? Methane. What is the process by which a liquid changes into a gas? Evaporation. What is the chemical symbol for chlorine? Who formulated the laws of planetary motion? Johannes Kepler. What is the name of the largest bone in the human body? Femur. What is the chemical formula for carbon dioxide? What is the study of plants called? Botany. What is the chemical symbol for magnesium? Mg. What is the smallest unit of matter? Atom. Which mineral is found the most in the human body? Calcium. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Carbon dioxide. What is the study of weather called? Meteorology. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.